point. First split is a 26.77. Lane 4, lane 2, 30.39, lane 6, 30.24. It's Aiden, then Stefan, and lane 6. Steve is fighting for third place at this point. Aiden's next split is a 101.02. Stefan a 102.48. Steve a 105.52. Stefan's actually challenging Aiden, and they're even at the wall. Actually, now Stefan's pulling ahead. So right now Westfield has first, second, and third. Aiden just looked at Stefan. Okay, Stefan's split is a 139.06. Aiden 140.92. And Steve a 142.87. I think Aiden's trying to catch up to Stefan. Right, at this point they're even. And Aiden's got to come in first place with a 2:08.91. Stefan second with a 2:09.67. And Steve with a 2:16.31.